Hello and welcome to another one. This is another quick video. I'll just be showing you where the brake fluid is on the BMW E87, E88, and I think it's the same with the 3 Series as well. So just pop open your boot. Okay, checking them out. So the brake fluid is right under here. So all you have to do is there's I think 2 or 3 clips in here. So if you see there's one clip here, there's one clip there. Let's move that. So all you're doing really is, so it should be, hang on. So it should be like this, should be like this, should be like that. All you're doing is you're pushing it back, okay, and then here, pushing it back again, yep, and then I think there's a clip here, there's a clip down here. Mine's broken clearly, but there's a clip here, and all you're doing is, oh, there's a clip in the back here as well. Sorry, let me show you, right here. So all you're doing is just pull it up. You just pull it out from those clips on the other side. Let me just check. Is my clip broken that way? No, it's not. So you just open it, and there it is. Okay. So now let's fit it back in. So make sure it clips on both ends. It's a good idea, is you can remove this as well. You can place it back in, literally just pull it up, as you can see. And here's what we're going to do. Put it back in. All you have to do is put in the clips again. If I can figure out how the hell, hang on. Okay, so to put it back in, all you're doing is you're putting back the clip that says over here, and there's another clip here. Just put the clips in, and then what you're doing is putting these back in as well, just like that. Yeah, just hold it in place. Okay, you're doing the same here. You can see that. And then you place this back in. Okay, just literally just push in, and you are done. That's how you access and close the brake fluid storage. Just give it a little shake, make sure it's all good. Yep, it's all good. Cool. And that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.